Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm coming back to make a video or YouTube content or YouTube channel, right? For our YouTube channel. Um, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share because it's education channel, right? Inshallah, when you support our channel, you support our education as well. Educational channel, I mean. Um, yeah, I want to respond to a question about pronunciation. What if we cannot pronounce the word properly? When it is a question, what will happen when we cannot pronounce the word? Maybe in yeah, in this question, maybe the someone want to know, um, or maybe maybe I just guess I just respond to the question by voice note. Not voice note. What is it? Video, right? Maybe someone thought that worried, yes, or worrying to pronounce the word, and I think it's something normal. I think because we are non-native speakers, we need to know that one, right? We're non-native speakers. Not only you who asked us thing, but also me. Yeah, sometimes I need to know how to pronounce this one because sometimes a similar word, right? But the pronunciation is different, the noun and the verb. Like record, right? Record. The phrases, the first will be different with the re- record. Record. It is like curd, record, record. Sometimes the phrase is will change the meaning or no, not the meaning, right? The meaning is same, but the 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 word, right? Like noun or verb. I will make it as simple, like when you learn irregular verb. There is like when we're gonna say read verb one, right? But it will be different verb two. Will be read, right? Read, read like that. So that sometimes this case will make us confused, I think, or I can say doubtful how to pronounce this one because of that one, right? Um, Something normal because we are not native speakers. So my response or my answer, I think, response, I mean, to the to someone who asks, I think, yeah, you don't need to worry. I think you don't need to worry because we are not native speakers. We must be um, worried to pronounce the word, but don't think that when we cannot pronounce the word 100%, it becomes a problem or stop us to speak English. It's totally wrong, you know. You need to think that you can imagine them when they come to our country, Indonesia. We have some names of native speakers. The question is, can they pronounce the word or the Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian properly 100%? Totally not, right? That's why I think the similar case, our case as non-native speaker, um, we cannot pronounce 100%, but we want to learn to improve it, right? We need to learn to know how to pronounce this one. But it is a process, right? And don't think that when I cannot pronounce this one, I will stop learning English. It's really hard, complicated, and so on. No, it's not the reason, right? So, my opinion, I think, related to the question, yeah, never mind. We're not native speaker, right? Native speakers, we are trying to improve it, all right? We are going to make mistake, but we need to learn to improve and improve. And look at them when, yeah, I know one of them is like, sorry if I mentioned, all right, like Bully, Mr. Bully Jowo, Londo Jowo, Londo, what is that? Londo Kampung, if I'm not mistaken. Right. He could speak Javanese, right? What about us, right? If we stop, we will never improve our English. So keep learning, keep improving our pronunciations better. Not only you, but also me. I'm learning as well. Alright, I think that's it, but don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.